Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that's got many Xfinity users scratching their heads: your router blinking white. This problem often signals that the router is trying to connect to the internet, updating its firmware, or dealing with a minor glitch. Don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get your router back up and running in no time. First, let's start with the basics. Power cycle your router by unplugging it from the wall, waiting about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple restart can resolve temporary issues and is usually the first thing to try. Once it's back on, check if the blinking stops. If it persists, move on to inspecting your cables. Ensure that all Ethernet cables are securely connected to both the router and your modem. Loose connections are a frequent culprit, so give everything a gentle tug to make sure it's snug. Next, if you're still seeing that annoying white light, it's time to check for firmware updates. Open a web browser on a connected device, log into your Xfinity account, and navigate to the device settings. Look for any available updates and install them. This could fix bugs causing the blink. Now, if none of that works, consider performing a factory reset. But be cautious. This will erase all custom settings, so only do this as a last resort. To reset, find the reset button on the back of your router, press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights flash, and then let it reboot. After resetting, you'll need to reconfigure your network settings. Finally, if the problem continues, it's best to contact Xfinity support. They can check for service outages or hardware issues on their end. There you have it. Easy steps to banish that blinking white light for good in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.